Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ke Iran ke Kynnoh berkedai ke United States of America ke Kynshoit ke Israel ban hertma yaka. Ke Iran ke laong balada omde bekershan ni bapha ke US ke Israel kan omno da leliru ban le kumni. Kumta ke Iran kelapin mana bakan Pynsangeh no ke jingtmu ban shong Jingialang ba ke US ya ke belabu sngi ban long hak sngi ublei na ke benta banyak keren ya ke kam nuklear. Hadeng gani ke Jingialang ke Israel ya ke Iran ki bebon kiri bekinthop ya ke India ke US ke UK ba ki wepat kiri lekin tu ikino shoshno jongki ki bedan ha Israel bat Iran ba ki ben mi no na ki jaka bam shngai bat lada kam dele ka kam ke badan kam ki ben mi no shisendan na ki ki atli kiri na marwakan khebe kathma ha pedeng kini ki atli kiri.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.